Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Karen Drew. First at 4, we are looking at a sweeping lawsuit against former President Donald Trump, 3 of his children and his company. They're all accused of padding Trump's net worth and then lying about the value of prized assets. Devin Scillian in the newsroom with the claims and the response from the former president's attorney. Devin.
Yeah, Karen, this lawsuit comes after a 3-year civil investigation focusing on Donald Trump, the Trump Organization, and his 3 eldest children, Donald Jr., Ivanka, and Eric. If they were to lose, the lawsuit could destroy a key part of Trump's persona, as he's always portrayed himself as a very successful and savvy businessman with a significant net worth. New York's Attorney General Letitia James alleges, though, that Trump lied about the values of his golf courses, hotels, and homes at Mar-a-Lago and at Trump Tower in New York. The filing illustrates an eye-popping more than 200 alleged instances of fraud over 10 years, 2011 to 2021. The suit is seeking at least $250 million, it says, is the approximate worth of the benefits the defendants gained through fraudulent practices. It's also seeking to bar the Trump family and organization from doing business in New York real estate and from applying for any loans in New York for a period of 5 years. James gave one example, accusing Trump of claiming his apartment in Trump Tower was 30,000 square feet when it was really 11,000.
And based on that inflated square footage, the value of the apartment in 2015 and 2016 was $327 million. To this date, no apartment in New York City has ever sold for close to that amount. Tripling the size of the apartment for purposes of the valuation was intentional and deliberate fraud, not an honest mistake.
An attorney for the former president released a statement saying, quote, "Today's filing is neither focused on the facts nor the law. Rather, it is solely focused on advancing the Attorney General's political agenda. It is abundantly clear that the Attorney General's office has exceeded its statutory authority by prying into transactions where absolutely no wrongdoing has taken place." End of quote. That from Alina Harba. The Attorney General says the suit was filed after she rejected settlement offers from lawyers for the defendants. But it comes as, of course, Trump faces other investigations, one large one connected to the 2020 election, the January 6th insurrection, and more. At the same time, also considering, though, of course, another run for president in 2024. So much more to come as we continue to follow this. This is just happening this afternoon. Karen, back to you.
All right, we appreciate it. Thank you, Devin.